If your Japanese sounds like broken AI, it's probably because you're doing this one thing wrong. So you learn that no connects nouns in Japanese, kind of like this in English for possession. So you start using it everywhere. You want to say my friend's older brother's car because that sounds completely normal in English, right? So you say watashi no tomodachi no onisan no kuruma. But your Japanese friend stops you mid-sentence and looks hella confused. Here is what happened. Technically that sentence is correct, but Japanese people never stack no's like that. Native speakers will actually restructure the sentences so they don't have chains of no's. My AI language girlfriend actually taught me that instead they would say something like Tomodachi no onisan ga motteiru kuruma, or just break it into multiple sentences. It's called Pingo AI and I hella recommend it if you want to learn too.